Okay. Number 10 says Jamie volunteers at the pet shelter every 3 days and at the food pantry every 6 days. This month, he volunteers at the pet shelter on the third day of the month and at the food pantry on the sixth day of the month. If Jamie says that the first time he will volunteer at both places will be the 18th day of the month because the LCM of 3 and 6 is 18, well, does Jamie's reasoning make sense? Use an example or a counterexample to explain your analysis. So what I recommend doing, as we know when we talk about every certain day, we talked about in class how that means finding the least common multiple, and they say it right here. So the first thing you should do is find the multiples of 3 and 6. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Let's look at 6. 6, 12, 18. I'm going to stop there because they're referring to the 18th day of the month. Now, if I'm going to circle common multiples, I'm going to circle 6, 12, and 18. Okay? So if we're examining this, we have just found 3 common multiples, but we want to know the least common multiple, meaning the first time Jamie will volunteer at both places. And in this example, well, even though my numbers are 3 and 6, 6 is a multiple of 3, and it's also a multiple of itself. So a counterexample, you could say, well, no, his reasoning does not make sense because the first day he'll visit both places or volunteer is the 6th because 6 is the least common multiple. So the first day will be the 6th because 6 is the LCM.